making rush hour chicken fajitas. And let me tell you, I am having a rush hour of my own. Headed to a potluck, wanting to get this recipe on video for you guys because it's one of my favorites. So I'm going to get you here midstream. We've got onions, peppers, and chicken. Simple fajitas. And first we're going to do the onion. I love the simple slicer for this. It has 3 settings. Real super thin, like a 1/16 of an inch, an 1/8 of an inch, and a 1/4 of an inch. I'm doing a 1/4 of an inch here. So it's just a simple mandolin. I'm putting the onion in. I'm slicing it right into my deep covered baker. And it even locks for cleaning, and it all goes in the top rack of the dishwasher. So I've got my onion going in. You can see these slices are nice and even, so they're going to cook perfect. So onion goes in, and then we're going to get our pepper. Let me show you a really quick tip for the pepper. I'm a hot mess today, guys. It's true. Here we go. Lock this up. This comes apart. The food holder. Never use a mandolin without the food holder. All goes in the top rack of the dishwasher. You don't want any science projects growing in behind the scenes. Put that in there. My pepper, I've already washed it. I'm taking my knife. I'm just going to slice the very edge off. And it does this beautiful thing. The stem just falls out and you've got this beautiful end. None of the pepper is going to go to waste. So then I've got the center of my pepper still intact, and I'm going to take something called a scoop loop, and I'm just going to get right in there. Try not to hide it from you guys. It's just a plastic little loop, and I'm going to just take all those seeds, and look at that. It completely cleans the pepper out with one swoop. It's called a scoop loop. Great for cantaloupe and all that good stuff. And then I'm going to take this pepper and 1/4 it like so. Cut the little end off. And then I'm going to use something that's called a quick slice. One of my favorite things to make salads with. I'm going to take the 1/4s of pepper, skin side up. And this is like the mandolin, but it works like an apple wedger where you just slice down and you get perfect slices. See that? Oops, I just lost one, darn it. I hate when that happens. So I use this for tomatoes, for cucumbers, zucchini, when I'm doing stir fry, making a salad, what you see me doing here. And it does a fabulous job. It even will cut, like if you have chunk ham, like lunch meat, deli meat that you buy in chunks, it'll slice that up or even dice it up. To dice one, you would just put it on there one way. I don't want to dice these, but I'll show you how it would work. Then you would take all those slices right off of there, 1/4 turn, and slice again, and that would dice them. Think strawberry shortcake, sliced eggs for egg salad, all that kind of stuff. So I've got a beautiful array here of sliced peppers and onions, and I'm just going to put right on top of that 1 tablespoon of the Pampered Chef Chipotle seasoning. This is going to give it that smoky flavor that we all like in fajitas. And then I'm just taking 4 chicken breasts raw, setting them right on top. And this is actually going to go in the microwave in the deep covered baker. This is like a magic pot, you guys. This deep covered baker goes in the oven or the microwave. It makes great soups, stews, chilies, or like the fajitas you see here. Then last thing I'm going to do is take garlic. I can't find my peeler. Oh, here it is, hiding on me. The peel of the garlic comes off super easy with this peeler. You just put it right in, roll it, makes a little bit of a crunching sound, and it comes out, no peel. And then I'm going to stick it right in here. This is called the garlic slicer. And it's like a mini mandolin that slices the garlic. And then right on top of my chicken, I'm going to put this really fine, delicious sliced garlic. So think about sauteing the garlic to kind of brown it and caramelize it when you make sauces for meats or when you want to have a garlicky kind of steak. These are just going to taste delicious in here. Get the last of that in there. I'm feeling like rush hour right now. And then 1 more tablespoon of chipotle. This seasoning is delicious in salsas, on chicken, on beef, mixed in your hamburgers, guac, you name it. I love it with this chicken fajitas. Smother it on there. Put the lid of my baker right on. This is stoneware, you guys. And it'll just 18 minutes in the microwave and it's going to come out delicious. I'll catch you on the part 2. Thanks so much.